If you haven't done any of these things, you haven't done a thing at all. She said like that. I read it in one of my lessons. We can give a clap for CEO Madam for giving her time in Harithaharam program. Now, ready, ma'am? Priyanka, ma'am. The school has been divided into 4 houses. You can see the colors: green house, blue house, yellow house, and red house. All of us are given saplings today, so that we should plant, nurture them on our responsibility. Principal Madam's plantation, correspondence sir plantation. Whole the lineup of the trees at the front gate, all our students only have planted. Every year there is a plantation program in Harvard School, and it happens uninterrupted. The pandemic. Thank you very much. Yeah. Deepthi madam, Savla madam.
మీరు కూడా పక్కన
Vice Principal sir to join the campus in the plantation program.
It is nice. Close up.
Each teacher is given a nameplate for their plant, so that is their care. Even Parvati madam, correspondent sir.
Under the presence of Priyanka Garu, ZP CEO, correspondent sir, Ravimarat Garu, all the teachers and helping staff who have been helping us for the last 3 days to make this arrangement. So every year we do Harithaharam. Last year, as the cases were not more, we were able to do it more comfortably. But this year we were hesitating whether we could do it or not. So we came up with a new idea of giving one pot to each teacher, so that it's their complete responsibility to nurture that plant. So the fun is not going to end by today. Earlier, the plantation, whatever was happening, the aftercare was taken by our sub-staff. But now it is the responsibility of you, because we are also giving you the nameplate. So whether your plants are being nurtured properly or not, you have to monitor now and then. Okay, and I'm also pleased to inform you that we have also launched a contest for the students. Our students are getting bored at home. They have very less time to attend the classes at home, and they have more time to spend freely. We have given them a contest called Kitchen Garden Contest. So every child can participate right from class 1 to 12 in this contest. The thing is, we have given them time till August 10th. They have to get the pots, get the seeds and all. They have to maintain their own greens and vegetables. All the photographs they have to take in their presence. So they should be there in the photograph. So with 20 or 30 photos, they have to take a PPT or some video, and they have to submit us. So we'll be giving them the prizes for every section of students. Some 2 or 3 students will be selected from each section for these awards. And children are very enthusiastic to participate in it. We have a eco club to guide the other students, to motivate all their classmates. So we have representatives from each class to encourage the students to participate in this contest. So they have some healthy hobby, we thought. In the regular school days, they won't have much of time to do all these activities. But anyways, they are staying at home, so we thought they'll be engaged with a good thing at home. Thank you so much for all the teachers for coming forward to participate in this Harithaharam contest program. I would request Priyanka Garu to speak.
Good afternoon to all of you, Bharati Gariki, David corresponding Gariki, to the teachers and all the sub-staff. First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me for this program. So initially, when my son was studying here, we used to come often, but it's been a long time, and I feel really good to be coming back to Harvest. And this is a very beautiful idea to plant it in the pots, just not quoting that there is no space. So you thought it above that and planned all this, and the plants are also very, very beautiful. So manandariki telusu within time the requirement of greenery anedi enta perigindo. So last 2 months we know everybody was struggling for oxygen. So how much government is insisting on Harithaharam program, all of you might be knowing, because we are celebrating this almost the 7th phase of Harithaharam program these 10 days. So as a part of that also, so I congratulate the Harvest, all the principal along with all the staff, so beautifully arranging this, and congratulations to all of you, because today you are planting oka seedling anedi plant cheyadam and grow cheyadam. It's a wonderful thing when once you love it and experience it. We do it at our home, and every village, every place we are doing this as a part of the Harithaharam program. So thank you so much once again. And this Eco Club kitchen gardening, it's a beautiful idea, because with time the kitchen gardening, everybody, most of the people, I think 10 years back nobody was doing this, but with time kitchen gardening anedi chala mandi they are starting to do. So this is a beautiful idea. I hope children get interested and participate this, and it will be a very successful thing. Thank you so much once again.
దాదాపు గత 5 సంవత్సరాలుగా హరితహారం మనం ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంతకు ముందు కూడా మనకి సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ స్కీము స్కూల్ నర్సరీ అనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఒకటి మనకి అవార్డ్ అయింది. దానిలో కూడా పిల్లలు చాలా చెట్లు పెంచడం జరిగింది. నిజానికి మొత్తం మన స్కూల్ చుట్టూ కూడా గ్రీనరీ బాగా డెవలప్ చేసుకోగలిగాం. ఇది విద్యార్థులు, ఉపాధ్యాయులు చేసే కృషి ఫలితం. ఇవాళ భారతదేశం వేగంగా నగరీకరణ చెందుతున్నది. అర్బనైజేషన్ చాలా పెద్ద సంఖ్యలో, పెద్ద ఎత్తున జరుగుతున్నది. అలాగే వ్యవసాయ భూములు, అటవీ భూములు వ్యవసాయ భూములేని ఇప్పుడు వ్యవసాయ భూములు ఇళ్ల స్థలాలు అవుతాయి. ఈ వేగం చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంది. కాబట్టి మనం అందరం కూడా అందరికీ చెప్పాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, మనం కట్టుకునే ఇల్లు కానీ ఏదైనా కనీసం ఒక 10 చెట్లు అందరం పెంచుకోగలిగితే మనకి ఆక్సిజన్ అవసరాలు తగ్గుతాయి. అట్లాగే ఉష్ణతాపం, భూమి చాలా వేగంగా వేడెక్కిపోతుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ ఉష్ణతాపం కూడా, భూ ఉష్ణతాపం కూడా తగ్గించడానికి ఈ హరితహారం తోడ్పడుతుంది. కాబట్టి టీచర్లు అందరూ కూడా పిల్లలందరికీ ముఖ్యంగా హరితహారం యొక్క అవసరాన్ని వాళ్ళ ఇళ్లలో చేసుకునేట్టుగా మోటివేట్ చేయటం, వాళ్ళని ప్రోత్సహించటం అనేటువంటి చాలా అవసరమైనటువంటి విషయం. కాబట్టి మీరందరూ ఆ పని చేస్తారని, అలాగే మన అధికార యంత్రాంగం కానీ లేదా రాజకీయ నాయకత్వం కానీ వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఈ మొక్కల్ని పెంచటం చాలా పెద్ద ఎత్తున ప్రజలకి ప్రోత్సాహకాలు ఇచ్చి మరీ చేయటానికి కృషి చేస్తారని చెప్పి ఆశిస్తూ ఈసారి హరితహారంలో పాల్గొన్నందుకు మేడం ప్రియాంక గారికి, అట్లాగే బాధ్యత తీసుకొని మీరందరూ కూడా ఇన్ని మొక్కల్ని మరి పెంచడానికి సిద్ధమైనందుకు మీ అందరినీ కూడా అభినందిస్తూ హరితహారం సందర్భంగా మీ అందరికీ కూడా అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తాను.
పెట్టుకొని మీకు కావాల్సిన తీసుకొస్తాను. కాస్ట్లీ ముక్క కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ నిలబడాలి.
పేరు కూడా రాశాను మేడం. ఆరెంజ్